Hey indie music rock stars, are you ready to learn a song that has great summer vibes and some super fun, easy guitar chords? In today's video, we're going to be learning the song Island in the Sun by Weezer. We're going to be learning the chords, the strumming pattern, and make sure you stay to the very end so we can jam the song together. Are you ready to practice? Alright, grab those guitars, come on in, let's practice together. To play this song, you're going to need to know 4 chords. E minor, A minor, D major, and finally G major. So while we're just getting started, let's get comfortable practicing those chords together. So let's start here on E minor, and let's just strum each chord one time. And now A minor. Wow, that sounds so good. Now D major. And then finally G major. Alright, great job. Now, let's challenge ourselves a little bit and let's strum each of those chords 2 times now. Ready? Okay, here we go. A minor. Very good. D major. And G major. That sounds really great. Amazing job. For most of the song, the strumming pattern is down strums with just 1 up strum. And that kind of looks like this. And we do that on the first 2 chords. So for E minor and A minor, the strumming pattern is pretty similar. It looks like this. And then when we switch to D major, we focus a little bit more on the up strums, and that looks like this. So let's slow that down. Good. And then the last chord of G major, we go back to the same strumming pattern where we're mostly doing the down strums, and that looks like this. Good. So if we put that all together and we play it slow, it looks like this. Alright, are you ready to challenge yourself? Let's speed up the tempo a little bit and let's play through that chord progression 2 times together, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Way to go, that sounds so good. Awesome job, rock stars. Really great job today, rock stars. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you're having an amazing summer. Make sure to practice at least 1 to 2 times a week. I hope you're having so much fun, whatever it is you're doing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and always thank you so much for supporting my channel. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and send this to your friends, and maybe put together a little jam session. How sweet would that be? Thank you so much for the support. I hope you have an awesome day, and we will see you again next time.